Hello students, welcome to the session of prime factorization method. Actually this is very simple method. First we just recall prime numbers, composite numbers and factors. What is prime number? Prime number is only divisible by 1 and itself. The first prime number is 2 only. 2 is only one even prime number. Next 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that. These are the prime numbers. Other numbers are composite numbers. Composite numbers are more than 2 divisors. Okay. And what is factor actually? Factor is an exact divisor of itself. Suppose you take a number 10. What are the factors of 10? 1 divides the number 10, 2 divides the number 10 and 5 divides the number 10. 10 also divides the number 10. So we have to write 1 into 10, 2 into 5 like that. Okay, these are the factors of 10. Now we are going to discuss prime factorization method. Actually, when a number is expressed as a product of its factors, we say that the number has been factorized. Suppose you take a number 24. How can we write 24? 3 into 8 or 4 into 6 or 2 into 12 also. Suppose 2 into 12 means we have to split the number 12 also. 2 into 2 into 6 because 2 6 are 12. Again we have to split the number 6. How can we split 2 into 3? So what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Another way, 4 into 6. How can we write 4 2 into 2? Again we have to split the number 6 means 2 into 3. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then another way, 3 into 8 also. How can we split the number 8? 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors of 24. Actually in this factorization, the only factors 2 and 3 that are prime numbers only. Such a factorization of a number is called prime factorization method. Now we are going to find the prime factorization of 36 using the factor tree. Okay. First we have to choose the number 36. How can we split the number 36 actually? What are the factors of 36? Using 4 way we have to split the value. First directly we have to write 2 into 18. Okay, this is one way. Another one way, 3 into 12. The next one is 4 into 9. Another one is 6 into 6. Next we have to split the number actually. How can we write? 2 into 9. Okay. Next number 3 into 3 into 4. Next we have to write this number 2 into 2 into 9. Next 2 into 3 into 6. Again we have to split the number 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The next number is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Next 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We have to split the number using this pattern. Next number 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay. So finally we get the prime factorization of 36. What are the numbers? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Exercise problem, exercise 3.5. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing numbers. What is the first number? 60. How can we split the number? 6 into 10 or 30 into 2, 3 into 20 like that. First we split the number 6 into 10, that is given. Again we have to split the number 6, 2 into 3. So the missing number is actually here 3. Next how can we split the number 10? 5 into 2. The missing number is here 2 only. The next problem, same 60 number only. We have to split the number 30 into 2, that is 60. Okay. Again we have to split the number 30, 10 into 3. And how can we split the number 10? 2 into 5. So the answer is here 5, here 3 and here 2. Okay. Next problem. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Actually what is prime number? Prime number is only divisible by 1 and itself. Otherwise, balanced numbers or composite number. Here what is given? Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Actually, what is the answer for this? 1 and the number itself. So, 1 and the number itself are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. Okay. Or not included in the prime factorization of a composite. Prime factorization of a composite number. Next problem. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. First, we have to choose the greatest 4-digit number. What is the 4-digit number actually? 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay. What is the smallest 4-digit number? That is 1000 only. Okay. We have to choose the number 9999. What is your question? Choose the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. Okay. First, we have to choose the first divisor. What is the number? 3. 3 3s are, again 3 3s are, 3 3s are. Next, we have to choose the number 3. 3 1s are, 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. Now, we have to choose the number actually 11. Actually, 11 ones are 11. We can't choose the value directly 1. So, we have to add 1 0. Next, we have to choose the number 11 ones are 11. Next, 101 ones are 101. So, the prime factorization of 9999 is, what are the numbers? 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Okay. Next question. The product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. First, we have to choose the consecutive 3 numbers. Consecutive numbers means next numbers. So, we have to select the number, any numbers. Now, I am going to choose the number 789. Let the 3 consecutive numbers are 7, 8, 9. Okay. The product of 3 consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. So, we have to multiply the numbers. Product of the numbers is equal to 7 into 8 into 9. Okay. 9 8s are 72. 72 into 7s are 504. Now we have to check the number is divisible by 6 or not. Okay. First, what is the unit place digit? That is 4. Units place digit is equal to 4. Okay. So, it is divisible by 2. The first condition is over. Next one is, we have to check the number is divisible by 3 again. Okay. So, check the sum of the digits. Sum of the digit means we have to write 5 plus 0 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. So, it is divisible by 3. Actually, this statement is proof for 6 because it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So, the divisibility tested 6 is true here. Okay. So, 504 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, automatically it is divisible by 6. Okay. You just check using any 3 numbers and check the answer is correct or not. Okay.